Spring is arriving, and this means the return of green leaf blades in your Bermuda grass lawn. With Lawnifi Fertilizer, your lawn will get the nutrients it needs to green up again and prepare for the stressful heat of summer. Lawnifi, powered by Catalyst technology, is an easy-to-use fertilization program that will keep your lawn looking great year-round. The Spring Fertilizer Box is a liquid fertilizer program that's designed to help your lawn transition into the warmer months ahead. Apply monthly applications of Lawnifi Maintain followed by Lawnifi Boost for green up, and a final application of Lawnifi Maintain in late spring to meet fertilization needs. For those who prefer traditional granular fertilizer applications instead, use Lawnifi's newest addition to the product line, Lawnifi Foundation. With a 2905 NPK formulation, Lawnifi Foundation is the perfect granular fertilizer for lawns and gardens. The 2% iron included in Lawnifi Foundation's mixture helps plants carry oxygen throughout the leaves, roots, and other parts to promote a green, healthy lawn. Each 25-pound bag of Lawnifi Foundation covers 5,000 square feet and feeds for 3 months. You can learn more about the Lawnifi program on the Sod Solutions website using the link in the video's description on YouTube. For more information on fertilizing your lawn, visit our series of homeowner maintenance guides on Celebration, Latitude 36, and Northbridge. If you have a different kind of Bermuda grass, refer to our generic Bermuda grass maintenance guide. We've provided links to each guide in the video's description on YouTube. This video is also a part of our spring maintenance series that's full of other tips like irrigation practices, weed control, and more for Bermuda lawns.